Ever dreamt of running your own business without building a product or learning anything complex? What if you could use free AI tools to start a client-based agency from scratch? All you need is a phone and a little time every day. Welcome back to One Click Activate. And today, we're diving into a brand new AI system that's been making waves, and it's called AI CashCow. This tool claims to help total beginners launch a content and email service agency using nothing but AI and a few simple steps. You don't need any skills or experience because the AI does most of the work from writing to client outreach. Let's get deeper into the claims now. Don't the promises sound too good to be true? The curriculum backing them might change your opinion. Have a look. Done for you AI agency model. Learn how to set up a full-service content and email marketing agency using free AI tools without writing a single word yourself. Pre-built client systems. Get plug-and-play templates for emails, outreach scripts, service offers, and delivery, all ready to use from day one. Land high-paying clients. Discover step-by-step methods to approach small businesses and charge $30,000 or more per month with confidence. Fully automated delivery. Use AI to generate content, schedule emails, and manage client tasks so your agency runs with minimal effort. Zero experience needed. Perfect for beginners with no tech or marketing background. If you can follow simple instructions, you can do this. Lifetime access and training. Pay once and get full access to all modules, updates, and support with no monthly fees or surprise upsells. A beginner at business? You're the one who should be here. Have a look at how easy earning money is with AI CashCow. Step 1. Log in and learn the basics, access the training dashboard, and get simple video lessons that teach you how to use free AI tools for content and email marketing. Step 2. Use plug-and-play templates pick from ready-made client outreach scripts, service offers, and AI content workflows. Just copy, paste, and run them. Step 3. Land clients and deliver with AI. Follow the step-by-step method to message small businesses and close deals. Then let AI handle the content creation and delivery. Step 4. Scale and earn monthly retainers, add more clients, raise your pricing, and turn it into a real agency that pays you every single month with minimal manual work. Now, honestly, they could have asked anything for such extraordinarily designed training, but the program is priced just at $9.95. This is why we have brought it to you. A one-time payment. No hidden charges. So is AI CashCow a must-have in 2025? If you want to build a solid monthly income without chasing trending side hustles or burning out in low-paying jobs, then yes, AI CashCow is the training you need to finally start earning with consistency and confidence. Remember, this deal won't last forever and prices may rise soon. So if it sounds like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links in the description.